Hello guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel, Hannah Duck Goose. Right now the birds are taking a nap right now, so I'm going to show you how they react to me when I walk over and wake them up. Hi guys! Hey! What are you guys doing? Hi! You guys taking a nap over there? Ben! Come on, Lewis! Lewis, come here! Come on, guys! Ben, you want to go for a chase? No? Okay. I don't think he wants to chase me right now. Hey guys! Where are you going? Hold on, Jemima. Oh. Don't step on her, Lewis. I'm coming, you guys. Hello. What's wrong, you guys? I don't think they like me over here for some reason. Quite strange. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Quack, quacks. Jemima don't care right now. Hello. Hey, what are you coming up to me for? Hey! Serena. Hey, what are you doing? She's being real curious right now. Yeah, you guys. Yeah. Oh, Serena. Lewis? Uh-oh. Yeah, he's been real aggressive a little lately. Yeah. And guess what, guys? Today is the first day of spring. So yeah, no more winter. We are going to get an incubator soon to start hatching the next generation of ducklings and goslings. We will find an incubator, but it's kind of hard to find right now. So it'll take like a week or two to find one, and we'll get one to hatch Benjamin and Lewis's children, and Serena's and Jemima's. Don't want to exclude Jemima from here because she's pretty special too. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Leave a like and subscribe, and stay free.